Okay, let's get to it then. Same as last time, we're going between two curves. So between this point and this point. So I'll be saying, well, we're going to be integrating between point 0, 0 on the x, and -3. Highest number at the top, lowest number at the bottom is the x coordinate. So right away they're trying to trick you out by showing you the full coordinate, and maybe you would put down the y's. Okay, so there we go, doing that. And again, we're saying it's upper, take away my lower. I'm doing that with respect to x. So what's my equations then? Well, the upper, the higher one, is this one, isn't it? It's the polynomial shown here. So polynomial is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. And from that, I'm going to take away the lower, which is 2x plus 3. And that's with respect to x. Okay. So let's have a look then. First thing we'll do is I will integrate that. Sorry, no, first thing I'll do is do the sum. Sorry, do the sum. So 0 and -3, so I'll get x cubed, that's fine, plus 3x squared, that's fine. But you'll see here that the 2x's are going to cancel out and the 3's are going to cancel out. So I'm doing that with respect to x. Next one. And then we're going to integrate. We'll actually integrate this time. So I'm going to have x to the 4, add 1, divide by the new power, add 1, divide by the new power, but 3 divided by 3, I'll just put a plus. You could have done 3 divided by 3, whatever. But I'll just do that for a bit of speed. And we're doing that between 0 and -3. Fantastic. Let's go over a bit here. So that's our first bit. We've done our upper, take away lower. We've got our limits in. We've subtracted our equations. We've actually integrated. So don't do this and forget to integrate, which is easy done. Okay. And now we're going to substitute. So this is just going to come out as 0 if I put it in 0, isn't it? So it's going to be 0, take away, and then I'm going to put a -3 to the 4 divided by 4 plus -3 to the power of 3. Okay, so I'll just check that. That looks good to me. So 0, take away, and -3 to the power of 4. So it's -3 times -3 times -3 times -3 over 4. So it's going to be a positive, isn't it? An even number will be a positive. 3 times 3 times 3, so that's 3 times 3 is going to be 9. The other 3 times 3 is 9, so 81 over 4. And so it's positive 81 over 4. So I don't know why that's changed colour. And then that one, -3 cubed. So -3 times -3 times -3. You can see that'll be a negative. 2 negatives will make a positive. And then you've still got negative. 9 times 3, 27. So you're taking away 27. Right. And then we'll say, right, let's put it into, we'll go back to purple. Let's put it into quarters, shall we? So 81 over 4, that's fine. Take away, and I want this in quarters. So I'm going to do 27 multiplied by 4. So that's going to be 28, and 4 2s are 8. So 108. Very good. So I'm doing 81, take away 108. So that's going to give me 27. So I've got -27 over 4 units squared. So if you have a little look, -27 over 4 units squared, that's fine. The negative means I must have made a little mistake with my upper and lower, although I don't quite see how that's the case. Let me have a think. Of course. So that comes out as -27 over 4, but there's two negatives, isn't there? There's this bit comes out as negative, but I have to have the negative in there. So that's plus 27 over 4. Okay. So, again, see, it is quite easy to make a silly mistake. But in this case, I did think, well, that's a bit odd, because this is definitely the top equation. If I got them around the wrong way, that might come out. If you're working out, like here, the area below the x-axis, that'll come out as negative. So, yeah, 27 over 4 for that one. Fantastic. And I think I won't be able to do any more than one question per video. So, yeah, the last one we'll do will be this one. So tune in for that.